Hey. Happy Monday. Just got in for my workout. Had to stop at Sprouts, get a few things for the house. I love this bag. So I got some lunch meat here for I eat lunch meat sometimes too. So I got some ham. This is all boar's head. Some buffalo chicken breast. Some pastrami. Some mozzarella cheese. Munster cheese. And then I got myself some fish. I got some bourbon salmon. And then some halibut. And then these right here are really good. This one is good. You do taste the sweetener that they put in it. But as you can see, it's no calories. You can taste the stevia sweetener in it. But they had them 3 for $5. So I tasted this one before when they was giving them out for free. And then today I got the peach and it's not bad. So Sprouts is kind of pricey. So for all of this, it was $50.62. Well, for this little bit of stuff. And I opened this and drunk this on the way home. I told you. Yeah, shut up. You don't know anything. You don't. I turned the doggone camera off. Okay, so my starting weight before I started working out was 254. I did Lent with my girlfriend. I went to the doctor on a Tuesday. Lent started on a Wednesday. But I had already started doing intermittent fasting the week before. I guess it didn't do much because I wasn't working out. So I was 254 when I went to the doctor that Tuesday. Blue. I'm trying to think, when did I start working out? I didn't work out for the rest of that week. I just did intermittent fasting and Lent, and then I started working out on a Monday. I don't know what day that was. The Monday after the Wednesday Lent started. I did drop some weight from doing intermittent fasting and eating healthy. So you can see the difference from that Tuesday to Wednesday when I cut out a lot of bad eating to when that following Monday I started doing T25. So just for me eating more healthy and intermittent fasting, I did lose 6 pounds that quick. Just for intermittent fasting and cutting out a lot of the junk food. So that was this. This was last Monday, March 9th. I didn't put the date on this one. So this was a week before March 9th because I weighed myself from Monday to Monday. So March 9th, I did go up 2 pounds, but I did lose inches, as you can see right here, from from 1 week to another, and I was doing T25. And then from last Monday to this Monday, I didn't lose many inches, but I did lose weight, which is 2 different things. A lot of people tell you don't stress about the scale because your weight just flip-flops up and down and sideways. But the way you can tell that you're losing fat and that whatever you're doing is working is by the inches. Your clothes feeling different. You get a measuring tape and measure yourself. So you know that whatever you're doing is working, but don't focus so much on the scale, because if you do, you're going to have a lot of bad days. And then just by this, 248, and then I gained 2 pounds, but look at the inches. I was, 42 chest. I went down to 41. I lost an inch. Waist, I was 41. I went down a half an inch. Arms, 15. Where's the arms at? Went down a quarter of an inch, not much. 26 on the hips. The thighs, I lost an inch. And I lost a half an inch on the hips. So I did lose body fat, but my weight went up 2 pounds. You do know muscle weighs more than fat. And then this week, I didn't lose much on the inches, but I did lose on the weight. I'm now 244.6. I was 250.2. So I lost like a little over 6 pounds and some ounces. But the difference, I lost a half an inch on my chest. Waist, I lost like a fourth of an inch, not much. My arms, I lost about almost an inch. My thighs were 25.5, so I lost a half an inch on my thighs and only like a fourth of an inch on my hips, not much. So I lost more weight than I did inches, body fat. And so my next weigh-in will be March 23rd. I put Saturday because that's when I was going to weigh myself, but I started on a Monday, so I do all my measurements every Monday, so that'll be next Monday, the 23rd. So yeah, I'm doing good. So since I started intermittent fasting and Lent and working out, I've lost 10 pounds, 254, and now I'm 244. So I lost 10 pounds in that little bit of time. And I want to say too, T25 is good if you don't want to go to the gym. But working out with Christina is where I seen my biggest loss, which is this week, 6 pounds. I don't think I ever lost that much weight in no dang on 1 week on all my history of working out. But Christina, she, oh my gosh, is 3 people that will put it on you that I've worked with before. His name is Kenyatta. He has, his style is like the guy that does Insanity and T25. Actually, he was in some of his workout videos. So his style is like that. And that man's body is ripped. He does boxing. He has his own program. I absolutely love Kenyatta. And he walks around the room. And if you're sitting there slacking off, he will call you out. Sometimes I used to be like, Kenyatta, get away from me. Because I'm tired. He's standing there looking at me. And then my girl, Beast Mindy, she's the kettlebell. She is, what I want to say, she has a license or whatever you want to call it, certificate in kettlebells. And she's another one that will kick your butt and call you out in class if you slacking off and you ain't doing what you're supposed to do. There's plenty of times they will have these things where you do the, I forget what they call them, but these little loops that they have, these ropes that tie onto them from the ceiling. And sometimes I will hold on to that in Mindy's class. And she said, if I see you holding on that rope again, I'm going to kick your butt. She would literally call me out in front of the whole class if she catch me holding on to them loops while doing my workout. And then it's Christina. I didn't do anybody else's classes. If I'm at a spot with Christina at, she's the only one I take. If I'm at a spot where Kenyatta and Beast Mindy is at, they are the only ones I take. because they're going to work that fat off your butt. So, yeah, unfortunately, because of this coronavirus, whatever the heck you want to call it, today was the last workout until next Monday. And then they'll go from there. But Christina and Flow Yoga is going to be doing some stuff IG Live, so which is good. And tonight for her Flex 45, we did all body weight, but trust me, it was a killer. We had to do four rounds of 10 different exercises. That was like a full body workout. Oh my gosh. And then we all had the nerve to go into her cycle class right after. And she is like, oh my gosh, she is like on steroids. I mean, when it comes to her class, just go to my Instagram page. I screen recorded a minute of her spin class and whatever, couple of seconds of our flex class from tonight. But she don't play when it comes to that spin. Shoot, she be like, I want to hear them bikes starting to take off. For real. But she like spin on steroids, and that's the truth. So this is 10 minutes. I'm probably going to just put this video out by itself. I may add some pictures in of my food for the week. But until next time, stay safe, stay well. Don't get out there in them streets cutting the fool. And peace. Hello, hello, hello. I'm back with my last meal, although it is after 1 o'clock in the morning. I didn't break my fast until 5 p.m. when I was on my way to working out. My classes wasn't over until about 8 o'clock at night. Then I had to go to the grocery store and pick up a few things and then get home. And where I work out is about 50 minutes away from my house. So, yeah, all of that is explained in the beginning of this video. And just want to kind of come in and show y'all what I was having for my last meal. It's something light. It's a cup of vanilla yogurt that I use with 2 strawberries, a handful of blueberries, 1 medium banana, and some granola. And I also put my Irish sea moss in here too, a little teaspoon. So I'm interested to see how it tastes, because normally I put it in my smoothies with my protein powder, my strawberries and bananas. So it kind of masks the taste, I guess. It's a powder. It does have a fishy smell to it. It's seaweed. So I really don't want to taste it. And hopefully all my fruits and stuff will mask the taste. And so this is a vanilla yogurt. So that's it. Good night.